Welcome to Stories Channels, where stories come to life. Once upon a time, in a vast and endless desert, there existed a mystical land where the golden sands whispered tales of ancient treasures. In this arid expanse, where the sun painted the sky with hues of fiery orange, there lived a humble coin named Dirham. Dirham was not an ordinary coin. It possessed a magic that allowed it to bring prosperity to those who truly understood its value. The desert dwellers spoke of its enchanted abilities, but few dared to embark on a journey to find it, as the desert was treacherous and full of challenges. In a small nomadic village nestled at the edge of the desert, there lived a young and curious adventurer named Amina. Her heart was filled with dreams of discovering the secrets hidden beneath the endless dunes. One fateful day, an old storyteller in the village told Amina about the legendary Dirham and its power to change destinies. Eager to change her fate, Amina decided to embark on a daring quest to find the Desert Dinar. Equipped with a small backpack, a sturdy camel named Sahara, and her unwavering determination, she set out into the vast sea of sand. Days turned into nights, and the scorching sun beat down upon Amina and Sahara. They faced swirling sandstorms, towering dunes, and mysterious mirages that teased them with illusions of water. Amina's resolve was tested, but she pressed on, guided by an ancient map passed down through generations. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the dunes, Amina stumbled upon an oasis hidden within the heart of the desert. To her amazement, a wise old sage awaited her beneath a lone palm tree. He spoke of the challenges that awaited her and the true test of character required to claim the Desert Dinar. Amina accepted the challenge, and the old sage bestowed upon her a golden key that would unlock the door to the coin's sacred chamber. Guided by the shimmering light of the moon and the whispers of the wind, Amina and Sahara ventured deeper into the desert. At last, they reached a magnificent ancient temple half buried in the sand. With the golden key, Amina opened the temple doors, revealing a dazzling chamber filled with countless dirhams. However, only one coin sparkled with an ethereal glow. As Amina reached out to grasp the Desert Dinar, a powerful energy surged through her, filling her with wisdom and strength. She realized that the true magic of the coin lay not in its material value, but in the lessons learned during the journey. With the Desert Dinar in hand, Amina retraced her steps through the desert, sharing the tales of her adventure with those she encountered. The once barren village transformed it into a thriving oasis, as the magical properties of the coin brought prosperity and harmony to all. And so, the legend of the Desert Dinar lived on, reminding those who heard it that true wealth is found not in gold alone, but in the resilience of the human spirit and the wisdom gained on the journey of life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.